Hi, my name is Vicki Ferguson, and my company is Believe and Achieve, and it's a tutoring company. I'm targeting elementary age children ages 9 to 12 years old, and I would like to tutor them in the areas of math and reading. I will be charging $35 an hour, and with the startup materials that I've spent on 3x5 cards and whiteboards, it should be quite a nice return to make if I have 2 or more children for an hour a week. I know that my competition will be the Sylvan Learning Center and other classroom teachers. My advantage over those competitors is that I have a master's degree in education and I've taught for 34 years. So I've had the experience of dealing with children with all different kinds of learning styles. And I feel like I will really be able to meet their needs with a one-on-one tutoring system. Much better than Sylvan Learning Center or their classroom teacher. And so I feel like I can really engage them and teach them and help them with any learning problems that they might have.